If I could turn the hourglass over, if I could set the clock back, it wouldn't change a thing, I know that. I know that. And when I look at the world around me, I see what might have been, but every deed has got a price tag. Now I know that. I wish I never met you. In my weakest moments, you call me by name. You cut me wide open. You play me like a game, and this is what it's like living your life in regret. I wish I never, I wish I never, I wish I never met you. If I could write a letter in a bottle that could flow through space and time, I would tell myself a warning, I would tell myself a stop sign. I know he looks like some kind of savior, I know his hands feel like that kind, but you keep your wits about you. Don't let the way you feel cloud you. I wish I never met you. In my weakest moment, you call me by name. You cut me wide open. You play me like a game. This is what it's like living your life in regret. I wish I never, I wish I never, I wish I never met you. You don't know the things I go through day to day, every day.
Hai guys, masih di Kota Sabang. Kita lihat ada bangunan ini. Ini bunker peninggalan Jepang yang digunakan oleh pasukan Jepang untuk melindungi diri. Ini kita lihat sebelah sini, ini ada lubangnya. Ini lubang ini muat untuk laras senjata. Di sini ada pintu masuknya. Sebelah sini. Nah, kita lihat. Jadi bangunan seperti ini banyak ditemukan di Kota Sabang, terutama di pinggir pantai. Orang di sini menyebutnya dengan puro-puro. Ayo guys,